Hey everybody, so it's Engen again, and now we're really getting into t-shirts and how to make them and how to make your selections depending upon the quality of not only the material itself, but also the print for the design that you're going to be printing onto the actual t-shirt material that you choose to work with. So this is just a quick quality overview. You're never going to be able to learn too much about this stuff, but you should have a basic understanding of what your options are. So the very first thing, t-shirt material quality. Consider the opportunity cost when you're making these decisions. Some people might consider a thick, heavy shirt to be a higher quality. Some people might consider a thin, light shirt to be higher quality. So that's really more of a preference more than a quality concern, but you're going to have to adhere to the preferences of your customers. So what a lot of people will do is they'll actually have both types of material available for their customers for a short amount of time, see which one is selling better, and then the one that's not selling so good, they'll actually discard that from their catalog. You don't have to, but consider actually purchasing a shirt from each individual manufacturer of each type. That way you can actually feel it and you can see it, and you can see if the stitching is good or up to your standard. You can see if the material is soft, if it's comfortable, if it's true to fit and form. Those are some of the quality factors that you're going to have to look for when you're making a decision on what type of actual fabric you're going to use and how they've put together to make it a t-shirt. So those quality factors include fit, sizing, material, softness, and weight. So the next thing that we're going to talk about real quickly again is the actual print quality itself. So thankfully there are popular methods out there for printing onto t-shirts, and that's what we're going to be going over in the following videos. And those include screen printing, heat transfer, direct to garment, and on-demand printing. So what we're going to go through at the end of this course is how to do on-demand, because that's what enables you to run this business without having an inventory on hand. And really it's the easiest and quickest and most cost-effective way. Your margins are a lot smaller, but again, it's easier to do business if you can do business rather than if you have to buy inventory and you don't have the money to do that from the get-go. So as time goes on, you can choose different things. But again, these are all just basics so that you can understand what's out there so that you can better familiarize yourself with all of these available options. So one last place that I want you guys to actually consider going to is this website that I have here on the screen. T-Shirt Magazine Online has picked some of the perfect t-shirt blanks, and they've actually gone through some of the most popular availabilities. So you've got this all style, and they go through some of the quality guidelines that I've actually put through, like fit, sizing, and colors, alternative, American Apparel, Anvil, Gildan, and Tultex. And so what you're going to be able to do is kind of read more up on what these are, what they have to offer as far as a manufacturing option. Once you've gone through and you've familiarized yourself with some of these, and hopefully you've gone through and actually sent some of these to your door so that you can feel and touch them on your own in person, then you'll know what you want to provide for your customers. So without further ado, let's go on to the next part of our lesson, and we're going to be talking about the first type of printing onto a shirt, which is a method called screen printing. I'll see you there.